The sort function is going to be an easy way you can sort data as you're pulling from a page to another page. So with the query function, which you used in a previous video, you can pull information from one page to another, and we can do that still, but by using the sort function, we're going to be able to sort it as we pull it. So let's say, again, start my equation with the equal sign. I'm going to say sort, put my parentheses up. Now you can see that my help window didn't pop up, but if I click the question mark, it'll pop up. So now I'm trying to say what range am I going to sort. So let's say I want to go back to my main data here. Sorry. Sometimes it accidentally closes on my brackets. So again, I'm going to go to my main data here, and I'm going to, again, click and hold down here. Then I'm going to drag so I get all the data I want. So I want that first score to show up. All right? Now I'm going to hit comma. I'm going to go back to my page, but it'll say here. Comma. And then it'll say, what column do I want to sort by? So I'm pulling all those data columns. Which one is the one I want to sort by? So let's go back here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the 8th column. Let's go back here. We're going to hit 8, comma. Now this is where we get true or false. False will be descending. True will be ascending. So let's say I want to go descending. I want the highest number at the top. So I'm going to say false. And then I can be done. Put my other parentheses in there. And there it is. So my data got pulled in. And you can see that my highest number is at the top. My lowest number is at the bottom. So if I do this again, let's switch instead of false. We'll just put true. And then we can do that. But let's say I want it to, let's go back to false because I like descending. That's just me. But let's say I also wanted to sort it by, in case there was a tie, by last name. And I can do that. I could say 1, 2, 3 is third column, gives me last name. And then let's say I want that to be ascending. You just see now I have 2, 7 here, and it's in alphabetical order. So I can sort by multiple characteristics. So if two things are kind of equal, so in this case the score, which was the first thing I was sorting by, I can then sort it another way. So sort function combines with that really well. If I go back to my query function, here we go, I can actually add sort in front of the query function if this could be true really with almost any other equation. Import range is one of the ones that may not happen. Now you can see that since I just said sort, I didn't say by what column, it'll automatically default to the first column and be ascending. So I oftentimes will use sort if I have like last name first, just so it goes by that. But just to make my equations easier, if I'm having sort around something else, I'll make sure I put that full something else in a bracket. So that's my range, that's the data it's pulling in. And let's say we're going to do this by the third column, and we'll do it reverse alphabetical or descending. Hit enter, and there you go. Now we've sorted my data on what we used the query function for before, and I was able to sort that data. So sort can easily be combined with other functions. Typically I think about sort goes around on the outside of those functions.